I hope you all are well. We will discuss about orthologs, paralogs and analogs today. To understand this concept, you should remember 3 points. That is common ancestor, second one species relationship, and the third one functional similarity. If we talk about hemoglobin 2, human hemoglobin 1, these are paralogs. Mouse hemoglobin 2, mouse hemoglobin 1, these are also paralogs. Rat hemoglobin 2, rat hemoglobin 1, these are also paralogs. But if we consider rat hemoglobin 2 and mouse hemoglobin 2, these are orthologs. So what's the difference here? We can see paralogs are in same species, that is inside human we have hemoglobin 2 and hemoglobin 1, they are in same species, but for different species they are orthologs. And for analogs, they don't have any evolutionary origin, that is common ancestor, but they have similar function, that is the wing in insect and in bird works in the same way, but bird and insect are so much differ in evolutionary origin. If we recap the concept here, then we can see orthologs has common ancestor in different species and they usually have similar function. And for paralogs, they have common ancestor, they could be same species or closely related species, and they could have similar function or different function. And for analog, they don't have any common ancestor and they are obviously different species and they are similar function. I hope you understand this topic well. If you have any queries, feel free to ask.